If I had to choose a single credit card to carry in my wallet, it would be a flat rate cashback credit card. So let's talk about our options so we can get you the one that fits your needs. What's up guys, I'm Josh and this is Budgeting with Butler, where we talk all things personal finance. So there used to only be a couple high interest flat rate credit cards on the market, but I've found 6 for today's video that I'd feel comfortable recommending to my friends and family, which I consider each and every one of you to be.
Aww.
And while all of the cards in today's video have very similar cashback rates, they each have their own benefits and their own drawbacks. And as they say, the proof is in the pudding.
I'm not seeing it in here, Josh. I better keep looking.
Yeah, honestly, I don't even know what that means. If you know why proof would be in the pudding, please let me know in the comment section. And one thing before we talk about these cards, none of the cards in today's video have an annual fee.
First up, we have the Citi Double Cash Credit Card, which is a MasterCard. This card is tried and true, and you've likely heard of this one as it was one of the first to offer 2% flat rate cashback rewards. Citi gives you 1% cashback when you make a purchase with the card, and then another 1% cashback when you pay your balance. There are no restricting categories to keep track of, and there are no caps on the amount of cashback you can earn. The redemption of rewards with this card is ideal. You can receive your cash back as a statement credit, direct deposit, check, or you can redeem your cash back into their Thank You Points program. There's really an option for everyone here.
I think I could live with that.
You'll need $25 in rewards in order to redeem them, unless you opt for the Thank You Points, which you can start redeeming at $1. Now, Citi's currently running a promo for this card, 0% APR for 18 months on balance transfers. You'll incur a 3% fee on balances transferred to this card within the first 4 months of the account opening. After that, the fee increases to 5% of each transfer. Now, some points to consider for this card. If your account has not earned any cash back from purchases or payments within a 12-month period, your cash rewards will expire. This is really easy to avoid, however, especially since a 2% flat rate card like this will likely be one of your most frequently used cards. Aside from the balance transfer bonus, there is no other sign-up bonus for this card. The variable APR for the Citi Double Cash is 13.99% to 23.99%, and your credit score should fall within the good to excellent range in order to apply for this card. And this card does have a 3% foreign transaction fee. Overall, this card is a solid choice for everyday purchases within the United States. If you wouldn't mind, please do me a huge favor and click the like button so YouTube sends this video out to a wider audience. I really appreciate each and every one of you.
Next, we have the Wells Fargo Active Cash Credit Card. Wells Fargo gets a lot of flack, but this card has some pretty attractive features. A flat 2% cashback on all purchases with no limit on how much you can earn. And cash rewards will never expire while your account remains open, and there are no specific categories to track in order to get the 2% cash back. You can begin redeeming your rewards at $1 cash back in order to offset eligible purchases from your credit card account. And there's a variety of other redemption methods, such as automatic redemption to a qualifying account, redemption at Wells Fargo ATMs, and redemption for gift cards. You can also set up automatic redemption where you'll get mailed a paper check once you reach $25 in rewards. Now, one of the benefits this card has compared to some of the other 2% cards is Wells Fargo is offering a $200 cash rewards bonus when you spend $1,000 in purchases in the first 3 months of opening your account. To put this in perspective, you'd have to make $10,000 in purchases at 2% cash back in order to receive $200 in rewards. So this is quite a nice bonus.
Oh, wow!
Another interesting benefit Wells Fargo is offering with this card is $600 worth of cell phone protection. If you pay your cell phone bill with this card, Wells Fargo will cover accidental damage or theft, but it's subject to a $25 deductible. Now, there is some fine print here, like your phone can't also be covered by another insurance policy, and they're not going to cover a phone that's simply lost with no explanation. The Wells Fargo Active Cash also comes with a 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. And since this is a Visa signature card, you will also have access to benefits such as 24/7 concierge service and their luxury hotel collection. After the intro APR, this card carries a variable APR between 14.99% and 24.99%. There is a 3% foreign transaction fee. And you'll want your credit to fall within the good to excellent range before applying for this card. So Wells Fargo appears to be stepping their game up with what this card has to offer. It ticks a lot of check boxes in terms of being a solid flat rate cashback card.
The Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature. This is the 2% cashback card my wife and I use several times a week. While we use various cards to maximize our cashback depending on the category, this is our go-to card for miscellaneous purchases that we don't have a specific card for. By the way, if you're interested in knowing how I get 5% back on the majority of my purchases, check out this video in the top right-hand corner. So the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature is a 2% flat rate card with unlimited cash back. There are no restrictive categories with this card, and rewards points will never expire. This is also a Visa Signature card, so you'll get the benefits that come with this, such as the 24/7 concierge and travel benefits. This card can be great if you already use other Fidelity services. This is because in order to get the maximum value for your rewards, you must redeem them into a Fidelity account. If you don't have one of these Fidelity accounts and aren't interested in getting one of these accounts, I'd recommend choosing one of the other cards in today's video. This card does require good to excellent credit to get approved for, and it has a 13.99% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers, depending on your credit worthiness. A couple things to consider if thinking about getting this card. The minimum redemption is $25 worth of rewards, and there are also no sign-up bonuses with this card. There's also a 1% foreign transaction fee with this card. With that said, it's still included in today's video because if you do happen to be a Fidelity customer already, it's indeed a solid choice to have in your wallet.
The TD Double Up Visa offers 1% cashback on purchases and then an additional 1% cashback when you redeem your rewards into an eligible TD Bank deposit account. Now this can be their checking, their savings/money market, or their CDs. So if you're already a TD customer, this may be a great option for you. There's no limit on the cashback earned, no rotating categories to monitor, and points will not expire as long as your account's open and in good standing. Now at the time of this video, TD's offering two intro offers for this card. A $150 bonus cash back when you spend $1,000 within the 90 days after opening the account, and a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for the first 15 billing cycles.
Oh wow, that ain't half bad.
Balance transfers will incur a $5 or a 3% fee, whichever amount is greater. To qualify for this card, your credit should fall within the good to excellent range. This card is going to have a variable APR between 14.99% and 24.99% based on your credit worthiness. Since it's a Visa and not a Visa Signature card like a few of the other cards mentioned today, you won't have access to the additional Visa Signature benefits. The TD Double Up card does have a 3% foreign transaction fee, so definitely leave this one at home while traveling abroad. So this is a great no-fuss option with solid sign-up bonuses and would be best suited for current TD customers or for those who are planning to open other TD accounts.
The Alliant Visa Signature is offered by Alliant Credit Union. While credit unions are sometimes exclusive to certain people, anyone can become an Alliant Credit Union member. This card has two tiers of rewards. If you qualify for Tier 1 rewards, you'll get 2.5% cash back on all purchases up to $10,000 spent per month. Tier 2 rewards earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase.
Well, obviously I need to know, Josh, how does one qualify for Tier 1 rewards?
So this can be a drawback for some people, as in order to qualify for Tier 1 rewards, you must open an Alliant high-rate checking account. You must also have an average daily balance of $1,000 in the checking account and have at least one deposit per month and opt into e-statements. While their checking account offers 0.25% APY, has ATM rebates up to $20 a month, and has no monthly service fees, this can be a hassle, especially compared to some of the other credit cards mentioned in this video.
I mean, that cashback rate's looking pretty good though.
It is pretty lucrative, and it does have other cards beat in terms of flat rate cash back. It's very tempting to say the least. This card used to have an annual fee of $99, but they removed it this year, making this card even better. This is a Visa Signature card, so you'll have the benefits that come along with that, just like the previous Visa Signature cards mentioned in this video. You can redeem your cash back two ways: via a statement credit or as a deposit into your Alliant checking or savings. This card has a variable APR of 12.24% to 22.24% based on your credit worthiness. And your credit should fall within the good to excellent range in order to qualify for this card. And another great thing about this card is there are no foreign transaction fees. So if you travel frequently, this card just may be for you. The only drawbacks I see with this card are the fact that you must have their checking account and there are no sign-up bonuses or intro APR bonuses.
I just thought I'd mention a couple runner-ups that almost made it into this video. The Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. It'll get you 1.5% cash back with a $200 sign-up bonus after a $1,000 initial spend. Also, the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards. This card will similarly get you a 1.5% cash back with a $200 sign-up bonus after only a $500 initial spend. Now I gotta say, if I were opening up a new flat rate cashback card, it would be a toss-up between the Wells Fargo 2% card with the $200 sign-up bonus or the Alliant 2.5% cashback card. Alright guys, make sure to click that like button so this video gets out to the widest audience possible. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.